Okay, this is my idea of the perfect boombox. Alright, this is a Panasonic RX-5025, but no, this is not the perfect one. The perfect one is the National RX-5025, not the Panasonic. The National RX-5025 to me is the ideal personal boombox for doing just about everything at the minimal level, so to speak. Alright, so that's the back of it. I just want to show it to you like that. Today is Monday, September 9, 117. Yeah, that's me. Alright, so just ever so briefly, this is a basic, bare bones. It takes 90 batteries. They go in there. I don't have any in there right now today. And then, let's see here, yeah. Here you have your microphone inputs, your input and output, your, what is this? Let's see that. That's your beat proof, your full-size headphone jack, line in, line out, and it does have a selector switch. It has an AC plug. It doesn't have a DC plug, and that's the only thing it's missing, but that's okay, because, and then here on the front you have your tone, balance, volume, your selector switch for your tape, radio, and most importantly, line in. If you have RCA jacks and it does not say selector for line in, then you don't have line in. Some Sanyos are like that. They have the RCA jacks and they won't have a line in selector, and you can't do, yeah, anyway, it's a rigmarole. Then over here you have your tape selector of normal and chrome. You have your level, which is for your meter of level, you know, how much it's doing, or just the battery. Then you have your FM stereo, FM and AM. Okay, so FM is going to be mono, FM stereo is stereo. And then we turn it on, right?
I get amazing rates.
So there's the radio.
I get 24/7 member support.
This has got the completed antenna, but
I'm a member. You are solely from.
Insert the
I'm now
done.
And here's AM.
Please.
So that works. I don't have the line in hooked up right now. That's not important, but let's see here. What is important is playing your cassette. So here's my cassette. Alright, so we hit eject, and we hit play, push it in close, hit play. Balance, down. This will do fast forward, and it'll do rewind. Okay, so, and that's all it does. Alright, so we're going to stop this. I thought this would be my ideal box, but when I found out that you can buy the exact same model, but as a National, not a Panasonic, which is the same company, whereas the Panasonic is basically for the rest of the world, but not Japan, whereas the Japan model, which is in that container right there, has TPS for the cassette deck. So I've been looking for another one of these. I have a few already. I have two, but they need servicing, and I was just hoping that this one here, let's see, am I wild out all the way? Let's see here. No, the other way. Here we go. Okay, so this one came with very minimal packaging. As you can see, that this is that big, and this is not even in a box. This is in a, I mean, can you get the right angle here? Can you see that? That's the tuning knob right there. It's like, oh my gosh. And then of course, well, I really don't want to show the back, but here is the bulge. Can you see that? That's the bulge of the handle. Oh my gosh. So they really minimalized shipping this. Like, come down here. Okay. So I'm just going to get into this. Already got a little rip there, but, and it says RX-5025 and some characters. All right. Okay, so Can't really shake it because there's nothing to shake. But let's see here. So we will just anyway. There we go. So this is corrugated paper, like you might find on a box, but it's not. And it does have a layer of bubble wrap around it. Wow. Oh my. And I got this from Japan via Bai. There's that. And then let's see if we can just pull this off of here. There we go. And we're getting right to it here. Sounding bad, huh? Alright, okay, well, let's get the scissors because I just can't. There we go. Okay, and then, I didn't even think to put the power cord into the battery compartment, but there it is right there. Okay, yep. Okay, get rid of that. Alright, so then we'll just... Good, they didn't use a whole lot of masking tape on this to tape it up. That's nice. Normally unpackage something that's got miles of tape on it, but so here we are. It's, can you see that? It's got the old oval. Wait, can you see that? Wait, here. It's got the oval plug. I already have a plug, but I'll just get that out of the way. And then there's that. See, here it is in all its glory. It's got the exact same controls as the other one. It's got your, your tone, your balance, your volume. And then this one is a mixing thing for your microphone for karaoke. Okay, which I don't care, but that's alright. This is your tape radio line in. Okay, this will be your normal or tape, and your AM, FM, and FM stereo. And then over here on this end you have your okay, this one up here is only for your mixing mic. These two are your speaker outs. Alright, this is your oscillator, that's full size headphones, AC in, line in and line out. Okay, nothing on the back except it will say, see, I don't know if you can see that. I'm even holding it right and see where. Here, wait. Can you see that? Okay, anyway, closer. This is a National, alright? What's in the battery compartment? Battery compartment never had, it's crumbly. Okay. And, well, we'll just put it back on. Okay, so, now let's get my power cord, which I was just using. Okay, yep. So I'll get the power cord and plug the power cord in. Do we have any tunes? Yep. Oh no! I just noticed the dial pointer's missing. Oh, that's no good. I have another one from another machine. Well, so okay, so it's on FM stereo. We're not, of course, now. It showed on the listing that it was powered on, but I'm not. That's it.
It's that last round's
He knew he couldn't force the ball. This was Whether you're you can
Y se levantó a leer. Te invitamos.
Alright, well, we're going to have to open it up and find out where the dial pointer is, and if I have to, I'll probably take one out of one of the other models I have, because this is a very clean, good looking unit here. It's a bit dusty, but let's see if the tape deck works. So that's what, that's open. So, capstan's not turning. Okay, so it's going to need a belt. Alright, I got belts. Still nothing. Alright. Still nothing. Alright, I think it only takes one belt, I think. But it's a non-issue, so I wish I could have played the tape, but it'll give me something to do here later. I just wanted to show you to you like this. So, okay. Well, something else to work on. But at least the radio sounds very good, as opposed to one other one I have, but I'll need to see if it has a string, or if someone just, when they opened it up, they just simply flipped the thing over and broke it, or whatever. It's not a big deal, just it's on a string, I know that. So, because that's here, there's that one. So here's this one. It's identical. See, wait. Well, anyway, there's the thing. All right, we know this one works. All right, but this is a national. I wanted to show you that this one has TPS on the tape deck, but I can't show you that working. Okay, but that's the reason why I like this one over the Panasonic model. All right, and it's old looking, but it's not bad looking. It's not rusted inside. That's the key point. Alright, so anyway, I did good with this one. This cost me very little, including shipping, because no one bidded on it. But it's a better one, I think. Alright, so it's been what, 12 minutes? I don't want to bore you to death. I'll make a picture showing both of them. Alright, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be selling some of these in the future, so you can contact me here. Right, just write that down. My name is James Pierce. You hit me an email. We'll trade emails, maybe phone numbers, maybe not, or just do it all via email. That's fine. But just wanted to show you this one, and I will say, let me just take the camera for a little walk. Alright, so here's this one, right? Wild out. There's that one there, right? There's a 838. We got other things to work on, and alright. But let me just run in here, right? Run. Put the light on. Okay. So up here we have, there's two of the 5025s. Behind that is a 5030. Wait, that's a 5030. Those are 5025s. This is a Quasar 3632. That's a Panasonic Panasonic 5031. And then we have this very rare animal here, this National RX-5125, I think it is, auto reverse model. Here's a 5500, needs whatever. There's a Boombox Deluxe, and lots of batteries, and all these other things up over here, right? So I'm gonna get those couple of, who knows what brand they are, these things here, get them down and repair them. Got a couple of Iowas up there, and down here some more stuff. And anyway, just, I got a lot of radios here to move, right? And we'll just, there's one of my favorites. And these are, who knows, okay. And I'll just run in here real quick. Right, so, well, and in here we got the Morsanios the Hitachi, and then just there's a 975. Yep, lots of stuff in here. Okay, and then we got all these miniature ones we've repaired, Sanyos and Iowas and Panasonic and such. There's a Toshiba. There's the there's that. Here's the diatone, the other diatone. There's a whatever, and then there's those M70 with no handle, M71 no handle. Okay, and then we got, there's a Bose in the bag, a couple of 5700s, and there's a Sony folding thing, CFS 88, and there's a Iowa 950, there's a Crown 850, alright, behind that is a Toshiba. We got these Sanyo, both of them, we got one of each. They both have issues, they both work. And we've got another 9600 over here, and you can't see it, but, well, yeah, you can. Here, I'll show it to you. Alright, way back here, behind the JBC, and, well, maybe you can't see it. I can't. Well, yeah, there it is. Way back in the back, there's a another Sanyo 9494, or 99994, I can't remember if it's the shortwave or other one. Probably a shortwave model. Alright. And like I said, this wall everyone can't see is the second wall here, so I mean it's the second shelf. It's, you know, 2 shelves deep. See how it's one shelf and another shelf? Anyway, that's how that goes. So we got more Panasonics back there. And I got a Sansui. Alright, we got 3 Sansuis. We have the CP77. We have another CP77. We'll go back into this room. That was what I was going to do. I was going to repair this thing here. Get this thing off the shelf. It's only on the shelf because it's got a flat top. I'll repair that CP55 right there. I'm tired of having these things hang around. I'm never going to use them, so maybe I'll put these up for sale. Alright, and there's, yeah, these aren't things I'm going to be carrying around. These are for sale. This needs a speaker. Speaker's refoamed. I got 2 of these. I got this one and one in the box. Right? I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be walking around like this. Like I said, I got that one there, and I have in that box right there that says Panasonic. That's the other CT900 in the box, also needing the speakers refoamed. Maybe I'll get to that. Here's the Akai. That one there. Okay, 18 minutes. Alright. And we got one more in that cardboard box there. We got one more Sanyo M77770K to unbox. I keep forgetting it's there. And repair it. Because we have, how many of these things we have? We have this one. We got that one. We got this one. And then we have another one in the bedroom here I've been using, right? Where's the one in the bedroom I've been using? Oh, God. Yeah, there it is. I've been using this one. This one's perfect. I showed this in a video the other day. It's just got batteries in it. Yeah. Okay, fine. So, and then we got Walkmans. That's my $10,000 box of Walkmans there. But I'm not going to go there with that. Not in this video. This is about the National RX-5025 and so on and so forth. So, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Bye-bye.